Hey everyone, this is Prateek Choudhary from Pattern. We have a booth over there. Today I'm here to talk about when kind of not to mock. I think everybody here is aware of mocks and stubs. Sometimes people just interchangeably use the two, but let's just move forward with this and then just talk about what stubs are. So stubs are basically just canned responses that are made during tests. So basically just saying that whatever is the implementation, the return should be this, right? So that's basically stub in a very simplified manner. What mocks are is basically objects where you have like pre-programmed the expectation. So that becomes a spec on its own where you're saying, hey, this is the expectation for the calls made to those objects. So that's a mock. Now let's kind of go into a traditional TDD way of testing versus mocking approach. So for a traditional test, whenever you write a test, you use an actual object and you run it through the code. So for example, we here have like a traditional test where there's a warehouse object, there's a order object, right? An order is something that is fulfilled by a warehouse. So if you can see that we create an order object, we fill it with a warehouse, and after that we just check whether the inventory got deducted after the order got filled, and we check whether the order was actually filled or not. So now that is a traditional approach of testing. Next here we have like a mockist approach. I know this is quite a lot to digest, but it's pretty standard stuff. Basically, what you're doing is you're not letting the code run. You're just saying that, okay, I'm just gonna test for implementation and not behavior. So you're testing the implementation that when you call has inventory with this product and this quantity, you should return true. And then when you call remove, what should be, this should be the return. And then that's how you're just checking the whole test. So you're basically skipping the behavior, you're checking the implementation. Now, this breaks upon implementation change, right? Because even if you keep the behavior same, but you change the implementation, this is gonna break. So you have tightly coupled your tests with the implementation, which is not, which could be brittle in future. Now consider this, the previous one was still fine, I would say, but here you have also faked the order object. So you have a fake order object, fake method to the object, fake object, and then you're testing that a fake method is being called on a fake object. So that this is where this goes too far, and I would say this is where you shouldn't use mocks, because this is not actually testing anything real. So thank you. I would just say use it cautiously. I'm here around if you want to talk more. We have a booth over there. So thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.